educators. I am Rim and he is Sam. We will be coming here very often to teach you letter sounds one by one in random order. So today we will start with the letter A. The sound of letter A is as in ant, apple, cat, pan, camp. You can add more words in the comment box. Do you know that there is a story, jingle and an action associated with each letter? To learn everything about phonics, you can enroll yourself or your kids to PhonicVani course. And stay tuned, subscribe and follow for upcoming letter sound videos. Thank you so much for watching.